welcome to Pay the Pool Man. Today we're going to take a look at the payments report and how you can utilize this feature. So let's go to view and then reports, and then we're going to select payment report. So let's scroll here, click payment report, and now we're on our payment report screen. So a few things to note at the beginning is you can search these by date ranges. So maybe you're just looking for September. You can search those. You can search between active, or you can view by date. But today let's do search all customers. So here we can see that we can scroll through our customers and see what payments have been made. We can see the type, if there's a reference number, the invoice it's attached to, and the amounts over here, as well as the invoice, the payment date, and the customer. So what you can do from here is sort these in different ways. So maybe you want to do customers in alphabetical order, or maybe you want to search the dates in a certain order. You can do that way. You can search a payment number. So maybe you have an invoice associated with a payment, and maybe you're trying to delete a batch of billing and you wanted to look up the invoice. You could do that in the invoice report or here in the payments report to see if there was a payment made. And then you can go over to that customer and remove that payment. Now, to note, you can look at this in a list format as well. You can expand this and close this, and you can export this as well. So this is going to show the past 12 months of payments for customers. So this is a great place to check and see what's going on if you have any questions about certain payments or what's going on with a customer. All right. Well, if you have any questions about the payment report, please reach out to our support staff and we'd be happy to help. Okay, thank you.